The vignette is a good way of adding a bit of mood to an image or more of an overall focal point. It is found in the Develop panel, under the Effects tab, and Post Crop Vignetting. Amount controls the intensity of the vignette. Any value above 0 will create a light vignette, perhaps best for brighter, high-key images. Any value below 0 will create a dark vignette, which is more commonly used. Midpoint controls how far into the image the vignette will be. Roundness controls the shape of the vignette. Double-clicking on the dot of the slider will return the control to a neutral position. Feather controls how much we want the vignette to blend with our image. Highlights controls how much of the highlights in the vignette area you want to recover. Note that the highlight slider remains disabled if we try to give it a light vignette. It only becomes enabled once a negative or dark value for the amount is applied. In most cases, a vignette gives the most pleasing results when it is not really noticeable. Some images can take a much more extreme vignette depending on the contrast and mood one wants to create. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.